Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today what we're going to be doing is a string reversal program in the Java programming language. So Java is an object-oriented programming language, so everything is an object that you create. So we're gonna start out by importing a couple of things. So we're going to import a java.lang.asterisk. And then we're also going to import a java.util.asterisk, and also the last one, a java.io.asterisk. Oops, asterisk. So these three things are three of the main libraries that you have in the Java programming language. So that gives you all the utilities that you can use. So now we create the class. So we're gonna do class string reversal, and then a public static void main, and then the string arguments, and that as well. One quick note here, I'm using Visual Studio Code, so if you're using something like Eclipse, this will already be put in. All you have to do is add the 3 imports and start writing your code. In Visual Studio Code, you have to actually put in the class and the public static void main line. It's not automatically put in there for you. So we're going to be doing user input. So right now what we're going to do is create a string. So string word equals, and that's blank for now. And then we want to do a system.out.println, enter a word or phrase, and end it with a semicolon. And another thing, with Java you have to create a user input object. So like scanner sc equals new scanner with a actually we're not going to do user input because that's a little funny with arrays. So we're just going to define a string. So string, we'll name it, so string word equals, let's say, Java. So once you have a string, our goal is to flip this word so that it goes AVAJ, because you want to reverse it. So in order to do this, we have to create an array of characters. So in order to do this, we need a char with the 2 square brackets, and so we'll say try1 equals, what did we name it? We named it word, word.to char array, and end it with a semicolon. And now we have to do this in a for loop. So the way this is for, int I equals 0, I is less than try1 dot length minus 1, and I plus plus, or I'm sorry, minus minus, because we're going the other way. And then 2 more squarely brackets, and then all we have to do is print this out. So it's a system.out.println try1 and the index of I. So this is the whole program. I know we didn't use every single ability of all 3 of these imports, but it's always good to have these because you have every library accessible to you when you're writing your program. So to run this now, we need to do a Java C string reversal.java and hit enter. So what this will do is it'll create a .class file that you can run by doing Java string reversal. And if we run this, it gives us an error. What happened? I screwed up this loop. I see what I did wrong here. Bear with me here. Apologies. So we have to do a I is greater than or equal to 0. And, oh. So I forgot we have to actually set I to this because we're going the other way. So then, greater than or equal to 0. Save it. So we'll just delete this class and create a new one. Java C string reversal.java. It'll create the class file. And if we do Java string reversal, there you have it. Now this isn't all on one line, so it'll read going up and down. But as far as you could actually do just a .print if you wanted to, and it would print it all in one line. So if we cleared this is the only problem with using Visual Studio Code. You have to keep creating these .class files. So Java string reversal.java, and it all prints on one line. So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. This showed you guys how to use a for loop, a little bit of arrays, and how you could maybe manipulate strings in other forms of fashions for other programs you may want to write. Alright, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.